everyone. I've had this sent to me. That's the name at the top right. OHOHU. But I'll show you a better one than that in a minute. But this is too big for me to do how I normally do it because it's a great big box. So, inside, let's just get rid of that. As you can see, all those. It's a proper kit. The only thing that it hasn't got is an LED lamp. So, I'll go through it anyway. So you've got all your instructions and your colours. And I think these are thermal. But I shall find out. There's the name. There. Right. So, there you've got your brush, your file, your cuticle pusher. There's 12 colours. Then you've got your base coat and your top coat. And there's your liquid for putting the gel on. There's are the nail forms. You've got cutters, and again cutters, and I would imagine those are glitters. So I will sort this out a bit better to try them out, and I'll be back. Okay, so everything came with coverings on, which is what you need. Everything is then safe, as nothing leaks. So these are the jewel forms, and they are the ones where they've got the lovely markings on the nail across there, so you know you're getting the right ones. Now I'm not going to show this because it's been done that many times, but all as you do, you fit the right one to your nail, then you turn it over, you place your gel inside there, press it on your nail, get everything from around the sides and underneath, cure it for 2 minutes, and then obviously you've got your file and everything else to shape the nail. So what I'm going to do, because there's 12 colours, I'm going to show it differently. So I'm going to use the jewel form, but I'm going to just put the gels in, cure them, and then you'll be able to see how they change, because like I say, they are thermal. So I should do all 12 so you can see the colours. And oh, these glitters, look at that. So there's 4 glitters. So that's the purple, and look at that one. That's like a bronze colour that you can add obviously to the gel. And then this one is a lot finer, which is a turquoise, and then the other one is a silver. Look at the colours inside there. So all these you can add to your design. So I'm going to get 12 of these, and then I'll be back to start. Okay, so there's your brush. So that's one end, and then you've got that end. They're lovely brushes, really nice. So I'll put some of the liquid in the lid, and I'm going to do 6. I'll do 6, and then I'll take them out, and then obviously I'll do the next 6. But your paperwork is very, very good. It shows everything that you need to do, explained very, very well. So that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to see, those will be the colours that we get to, and as you can see they change. So we'll get started, and I'll just let you listen to a bit of music. Okay, so they've just come out of the 2-minute timer, and you can see for yourself how they've changed. You saw how I put them on, and you can see how the different temperature alters how they are. So I just pop these out first before I do the other. So if I can get them out. There we go. There's your first one. A beautiful pink. Now on top of that, when that's on your nail, you can sprinkle some of the glitter and then put your top coat on. So that's that one. So we'll do this one. This one's just beginning to go back to normal now. See where I've had my finger then? Look how that's come up really well. Wow, very unusual. Very unusual. So we'll take this one. You'll have to ignore my fingers. When I'm stressed, I seem to peck at my skin. So I thought I'm not going to show you that. So there's that one. And again, see how clear that's gone? And that'll go darker. And we'll do this one. I hate working in this in gloves, but okay, so I've got two. I just put a bit on the end there. So if I put my thumb on there and take it off, you can see. Yep. So that works really well. Oh, that popped well. This is another pink, and as you can see, oh, that goes really quick. That is not a stain on my nail, as you can see, it's just shadow. Yeah. Oh, I've held it from both sides. Wow, they do change quick. And the last of the 6. See if I can get this one to do it. Maybe I'll put this one on a little bit thicker than the others. But it will go, I suppose. But they are changing back now. So, there are my first 6. So now I'll go on to the second 6. So there are the other ones. They are such beautiful colours, and what you saw me do with the glitter. Now, you would I would myself, with anything like that, would actually mix it. You know, just put it in a little cap, mix the glitter with the gel. So, all those colours now are done. And you've got a white, and that obviously is a clear. So I'll just put my fingers on this one. It looks as if there is some thermal and some not really. I mean, my hands, well, when you're wearing gloves, they sweat. Don't like wearing them, but that doesn't change as much. Let's try that one. And obviously you'll put your top coat over the top, which I will do with oh yeah, that one's changing. So what I'll do, I'll put a top coat. So obviously when you're doing your nails, you will push your cuticles back with this, right the way back. You will get your little cutters to shape your nail. Oh, let me take it out a bit. That's better. To shape your nail, and then with the soft side of the file, just go over your nail just to buff it up. Then you will put your base coat and then cure that for 60 seconds. And then obviously you do all this. So to make it nice and shiny, which one's the top coat? That's the base. So let's have a look. And then I will cure this again for 60 seconds. It always makes such a difference when you put your top coat on. Make it nice and shine. Like that. So I'm going to cure that and I'll be back. So there they are. That's better. See that better now. So they're all the colours. And you've got quite a variation there, from your clear to your white and to all your other colours there. And everything else that you've got with it. It's a lovely set. It's off Amazon. And like I say, I would like to thank, I don't know how to pronounce it at all, OHOHU, for sending me these to try. And like I say, it's Amazon. I will leave all the links and everything in my drop down box, and you can go and check it out from there. So you've seen everything that was in the box, everything you need, and fill your boots. So I hope you've enjoyed this little review. Well, it's quite a long review really for me. And you go and check them out. Well, I hope you've enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye.